Would you like to come up, sir? So let us tell, thank you. Let us tell the world who you are. You are, of course, Jim. We have met. Yeah. Good. So not yet, not yet.
But thank you.
Your enthusiasm, hold it. And your subject or topic is?
The power of emotions and experience.
All right, good. And what is the result of that?
It's a fuel for growth.
Good. Perfect. I'm handing you the mic, as you would if this was your audience. Your name is in lights. Here's Jim.
You should have been with me there years ago. We were working with the chemical company Dow.
Okay.
Got several words out.
Good. Now, can you remember exactly what you said?
Wish you'd been with me there years ago when we worked with chemical. Nope.
Okay. All right. Well, one, I'm going to suggest you slow down and write your script down the page. So I'm going to hand you back the mic, and you're going to slow down slightly, say what you were saying, but when I touch you, you're going to pause. All right? Here's Jim.
I wish you'd been there with me.
I wish you'd been with me then. There are too many words. Somehow that doesn't. How about, if you're taking them, the assumption is you're probably there with them. Okay. So just say, I wish you could have been there.
Okay.
Pause. Let the audience think, oh, where are we going? Right? Here's Jim.
I wish you could have been there with me.
No.
No?
These people are very brave to come up here. And do you see how difficult it is to change what you always do? I wish you had been there. There. I think we know you're taking us somewhere. I wish you'd been there. 1, 2, 3. Give them time to think. Where are we going?
I wish you'd been there. Oh. I felt the tap. I met with Dow's chief product officer.
Okay. As we walked into the room, now, is this a what's the room like?
It's a 2-person room. His office.
Okay. Is it a big office, a little office?
Big office.
All right. Is it a luxurious office?
It is.
Good. You realize the adjectives you use help us see the office. Because we've gone into so many different offices. What type of office? So, I wish you'd been there. As we, now you can say, I wish you had been with me as I walked into such and such's luxurious office. All right, then pause. All right, here's Jim.
I wish you'd been there. I walked into Dan Futter's big, beautiful office, and I was talking to him about our work on a complaints journey.
All right. Now, the next technique is you don't talk about what you said. You deliver the dialogue. It's going to have quotation marks. And use his name first. Then it's very obvious to the audience and you who is speaking. So pick it up with, I walked into his office.
I walked into Dan Futter's office, the chief product officer at Dow. And he told me, Jim, my goal is to create a complaints journey that's enjoyable.
Perfect. Would you? Very good.
Thank you.
Can you see the difference? Slow down, take out words you don't need, add dialogue and descriptive words. Give Jim a hand.
Thank you.
All right.